I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe that I did not take an L on the SNKRS app, y'all.
It's Lisa, it's Lisa, it's Lisa Danielle. Something like that.
What's up, world? It's your girl Lisa D, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and click that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video or whatever. So this is a monumental day. This is a monumental day because the SNKRS app, for once, did not fail me. I wasn't expecting to actually hit. I think it was like 11 o'clock before I checked in on my results, y'all. Well, I saw that! Y'all playing, stop playing. Y'all playing, stop playing. They wasn't playing though. These came straight from Nike, straight from the SNKRS app. And they are the Travis Scott Air Jordan 6. The Air Jordan 6 Travis Scott, Cactus Jack. Does it really matter what we call them? Look like money to me. I got these in a size 8. I'm normally like a 7 or a 7.5, but if I have to wear double socks, I'm gonna wear double socks. It's nothing to wear double socks, it's nothing. So this is the box that it comes in. The top of the box is olive green and the bottom is black. And it has this like reddish orange Jumpman. I guess that's reddish orange. On the size tag side of the box, you have the Air Jordan branding and the Cactus Jack branding, along with your usual Nike sticker, QR code, all that good stuff with your size, blah, blah, blah. The opposite side of the box, you have more Travis Scott branding and Air Jordan branding. When you open the box, you're gonna see that beautiful, beautiful reddish orange color on the inside, some black paper, some white paper, and then you get to the shoe. There are some differences in the right and the left shoe, so let's just start with the right shoe. You got this olive green suede upper, which is gorgeous. It is definitely a premium suede. Along the side here, you've got the signature stash pocket. I won't be stashing anything in there. Yes, if you don't have anything to stash, you can put like some quarters, if you got some quarters. But when you open the pocket, it does have some Cactus Jack branding on the inside of the pocket. It is a snap pocket. The back of the right shoe, you do have the Cactus Jack branding as opposed to the Air Jordan or the Nike branding. You have a pull tab on the back, you know, typical Jordan 6 vibes with a little bit of that Travis Scott edge. The tongue is rubber and it does have some distressing at the top of the tongue. You do have this reddish orange colored lace lock, and on the front it's like another little pocket with a snap. You have the Air Jordan logo on the front of the pocket, and when you unsnap it and open it, you have Cactus Jack on the inside, which I thought was really dope. The right side is where the laces are. You have a pair of black laces and a pair of yellow laces. I actually think the shoe will be fire with the yellow laces. I know a lot of people are saying they probably won't wear them. I probably will wear them because I think that any type of yellow mustard color with the olive green is always a win. It's always a win. So moving on to the left shoe, you have the Nike Air on the back of the left shoe. That's really the only difference between the right and the left shoe. You still have the distressed tongue, the pocket, Cactus Jack branding on the inside of the pocket. Oh snap, I forgot, these glow in the dark! We gotta go outside and charge them. Let's see how long this takes. Like, how much time do I have to actually put it in the sun? Okay, that was 30 seconds. Yo, that is so fire. Oh my God, it's like a glow party. Okay, let's get back to the review. I think these shoes are super dope. I think I've covered it. There's so many videos on this shoe, and I actually got these like 4 days ago, but I was being lazy. These are definitely a good fall sneaker, but y'all know I'm an Air Jordan 1 fan first and foremost, but the 6 is really cute. I like the 6 with this particular style. I like this colorway on the 6. I like the extra distressing and the pocket. All little extras that come on this shoe is why I like this 6. These do fit true to size, so I do recommend just getting your size. Definitely gonna be a grail shoe for me. I can definitely see myself styling these a ton of different ways. Dresses, suits, jeans, joggers, like it's getting to be that sweater weather. Yo, like a hoodie dress? These with a hoodie dress. That's all I pretty much have for these shoes. There are tons and tons of reviews, so if I missed something, I'm pretty sure somebody else has already covered it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Follow me on Instagram. Y'all gotta follow me on Instagram. Look at this feed. Look at how dope this Instagram feed is, y'all. Hey, it's cute. It's a cute little feed. Follow it. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.